This evening I want to remind our community to make careful and smart movements. COVID-19 numbers are growing on our island, and we do not yet have confirmation on which variant it is. We await the results from the Netherlands, as you have known that we do not have the capacity here on the island to determine which variant of the COVID it is. However, based on what we observe, the infection rate is fast, with mainly mild symptoms and hardly any hospitalizations. It is suspected that this is the Omicron variant. Omicron is highly contagious and will affect each individual differently. Again, this is determined by your immune system and the state of your health. This virus is affecting our community to the extent that it demands isolation and quarantine. It means that some of you cannot attend your regular work, nor are you able to interact with others. We want you to adhere strictly to this. Out of great caution, I am requesting the station community not to take this situation lightly and not to take anything for granted. As a small and vulnerable community, we must take careful and smart movements. Since last night, one person was hospitalized. In the meantime, this person has been transferred to the St. Martin Medical Center for care. Tonight, I want to address the issue of breaching isolation and quarantine as an irresponsible act. Most residents respect and follow the guidelines. It is the few that do not adhere to the measures that are putting us all at risk. One thing we know, and that is COVID does not respect anyone. This virus cannot spread on its own. It needs a warm body to spread. It is invisible and can sneak into the privacy of your home, and we are seeing the effects of that already.